This segment is sponsored by Market Basket.
Does your family make that "not again" face when you tell them chicken is for dinner? Well, we're going to change that today with an amazing Chicken Cacciatore meal that you can easily prepare at home with ingredients you already have or you can find at your local grocery store. Let's begin by preheating the oven at 325 degrees and then season the chicken with salt, black pepper, and dried oregano. Next, add a few tablespoons of olive oil to a hot cast iron skillet, then place the chicken skin side down and cook until golden brown. Flip each piece and brown the other side for a few minutes as well. Then you're going to remove the chicken and set aside to cool. Add veggies and garlic to the skillet and saute for about 2 minutes. Now let's add some wine, chicken broth, and tomatoes to the skillet. Mix in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1 of cracked black pepper, and then place the chicken back in the pan along with any additional herbs like thyme or some fresh basil. Bake in the oven on the mid to upper rack for about 45 minutes or until you reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. By this point, the chicken should be falling apart. I suggest you serve it with creamy risotto or some rustic Italian bread. You now have shown your family that chicken can be amazing, fun, and prepared with very little mess. And by the way, it's actually really healthy too. I hope you all enjoy.
Save on S&S locally fresh chicken wings, just $2.77 a pound. Crystal Light, Kool-Aid, Country Time, or Tang Drink mix 2 for $5. Market Basket, your neighborhood grocer for 61 years.